Nextech AR Solutions, a metaverse company and leading provider of augmented reality experience technologies and services, has contracted to supply 3D models to the world's largest prime e-commerce marketplace. Evan Gappelberg, Nextech AR's CEO, has joined us today to discuss today's news. Welcome, Evan.
So, we announced today now a 3D model supplier for the prime e-commerce marketplace. Obviously, some big tech companies are sensitive about using their names in press releases. So we try and be sensitive to their sensitivity. But today is Prime Day, and I guess, people, our investors can kind of put it together. So from our standpoint, whether we announce their name exactly or not, it is a significant deal for Nextech. It is the largest e-commerce marketplace, and they do have quite a large appetite for 3D models. They actually recently launched an app where you can try on shoes inside their e-commerce app. And so they are continuing to push the envelope with 3D and augmented reality, and we are now supplying them with 3D models. And so if you think about that, that could be quite significant over a period of time, because they do have quite a large presence in the e-commerce marketplace. But away from that prime platform, we continue to succeed in the market, signing 3D modeling deals for mid-sized companies. And we continue to see a rapid adoption rate of our digital twin technology for e-commerce. And, if you think fast forward 6 months or 9 months, I think there's going to be an acceleration in the market for demand for 3D models, because as all the e-com marketplaces, including Amazon, including Shopify, including BigCommerce, including WooCommerce, all roll out 3D modeling capabilities, and it even goes beyond those platforms to Walmart, to Target, to Kohl's, to Home Depot, to Lowe's. They are all clamoring for 3D models. And this is all public information. You could look it up, you could find them online. And in my opinion, it's quite evident that it will not be long before all e-commerce businesses must follow suit to stay competitive in the marketplace. And we firmly believe that the transition from 2D photos to 3D models is in full swing, and that 3D models is being established as the standard in e-commerce throughout the globe. Companies that do not adopt will be left behind. And that creates the perfect storm for our company, because we have what we believe is the best end-to-end solution, white glove service, scalability, and of course, our ability to work with these bigger players means that we've reached a level of expertise that really is unmatchable and unbeatable in the market. And this is all happening for one reason and one reason only. 3D models are the future of e-commerce, because they've proven to generate a 94% increase in conversions, a 40% reduction in returns, and up to a 250% increase in conversion rates for consumers, for brands. And we're seeing, an expansion from furniture to home decor to kitchen and dining. I mean, you can imagine you're shopping for a new countertop in your kitchen, and instead of having to lug these slabs of granite or whatever you're using, quartz, and kind of put it on your counter, you're able to just take out your phone, hold your phone over your counter, and all of a sudden you're able to see the entire inventory of stones overlaid on top of your counter. And that allows you to visualize, really try before you buy. It makes you much more comfortable and confident, and ultimately it's stimulating demand in the market for what we're selling. And so there's an enormous tailwind, really, for us in that space. Now, I also want to speak to the fact that besides the 3D modeling, we were also announced today that we are offering our employees a shares for services program for meeting payroll. Now, we have the capital, but we want our capital to extend to infinity. And if we want our capital to extend to infinity, where we don't have to continue to essentially raise money, then we need to institute programs where we could pay our employees in shares. And it really does set us up for success. And we are selling off our e-commerce business. We are generating revenue, obviously, as well. But having this plan in place, especially in a turbulent stock market environment that we're in today, where the capital markets have essentially shut down, give us a competitive edge so that we can sustain our business and ultimately thrive as the business starts to grow and take hold in 2023 and beyond. And this basically allows us to not have to go back to the capital markets, maybe ever. And that's an incredible thing to say. And so, it's a big deal. It's a very big positive for the company, and it positions Nextech for success for the long term.
Thank you, Evan. ARitize 3D is a one-stop shop AR solution using artificial intelligence to create high-quality 3D and augmented reality experiences from existing 2D product images at an unbeatable price. By employing 3D technology, customers can try before they buy, thereby increasing conversations and perhaps more importantly, decreasing returns, a costly expense in the online marketplace. Once a client realizes the benefits of this technology, it is hard to imagine ever losing a client. In addition to supplying its 3D technology to the world's largest prime e-commerce marketplace, Nextech AR has also closed multiple new 3D modeling deals in the e-commerce space, providing the company with both a continuing growing base of annual recurring revenue and monthly recurring revenue. Winning new contracts combined with renewals and expansion of existing contracts is driving the rapid growth for the company's 3D model and augmented reality business in e-commerce and growth into Web 3.0. Some of the latest companies in the furniture and home goods sector to sign contracts for the company's ARitized 3D products are Surplus Furniture, Loft, Marina Homes, and Relax Shed Messe. Sports equipment has been another significant growth area for the company, with California-based Sports Basement contracting for the provision of 3D models for their top-selling bicycles, with the potential to expand 3D capabilities to their other products. Previous sports-related contracts span numerous sports, including Kindred Snowboard, Salamander Paddle Gear, MGI Golf, North by North, The Perfect Mound, Source for Sports, and others. As Evan mentioned, the company has established a unique program to compensate employees and consultants with share purchase warrants in lieu of monthly cash payments. These warrants are priced at 84 cents for a period of 1 year and exercised on a monthly basis, with the recipients given the option to have the company manage the sales of the underlying shares, with the company also covering any shortfall. The shares are trading at 98 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website at nextechar.com. Contact Lindsay Betts, Investor Relations at 866-274-8493 or by email at investor.relations@nextechar.com. I'm Ebony North.